My name is Mike Allen, and I have been involved in the IGO in some capacity since I was a child. My father was heavily involved in the IGO when I was growing up, and so a lot of the folks in the association literally have known me since I was a kid. I've been serving on the board now since 2019, and it's just been a great organization for me and for our development as leaders within the industry and for the development of our business. One of the things that I enjoy the most about my association with the independent garage owners is the camaraderie, right? You're in a room filled with people who have the same struggles that we do. They know what we're going through. They know the frustrations. They know the difficulties that we deal with. And it's really helpful to have, a brain trust of intelligent, motivated, engaged shop owners that can help you. If you're having a personnel issue, if you're having a recruitment issue, if you're having a technology issue, if you want to know, is this piece of equipment a good piece of equipment? There's someone in the association that has experienced that same thing, and they can give you that feedback. And it saved me a lot of money over the years asking people who have more experience than me what to do or what not to do. Another thing that I really like about being a member of the IGO is the training that becomes available. There's technical training for my staff, there's sales training for my service advisors, there's management training for me. We all need to be constantly challenging ourselves to develop as a leader in our own organization and in the industry. And IGO provides that training and that skill development, and it's really important. Membership in the IGO comes with a lot of benefits. There are a ton of partner vendors that have special discounts and special programs just for IGO members, and that alone pays for the cost of membership. If you combine all of those vendor programs with the online community, with the camaraderie and the friendships that you build in the chapter meetings, the ASTE show every year, it is an absolute no-brainer. It is a must-have part of my development as a leader in my organization as being a member of the IGO.